Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs on the Elfin Landscapes blog. Behind me is a project in North Tustin, designed by me, installed by Los Gatos Landscape. And I wanted to take you on a tour of the garden and show you kind of behind the scenes. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. I am also a residential landscape designer, so I'll have a link to my business website in the description of the video. So this is the front of the garden. We use brick because there's also brick at the house. Homeowners specifically wanted the brick in a herringbone pattern, which I think just looks gorgeous. So the plants that we used here are Ceanothus centennial, Cleveland sage, desert mallow, woolly blue curls, and sundrops. We went with a minimal palette. Oh, and back behind here we added some Mexican bird of paradise because they had some, or they have one way in the back there. So you come up this brick path. The flagpole is existing. You have this pad to kind of sit, relax, and whatnot. This is a working pump that was originally patented by the wife's grandfather, handmade, I believe. Not working now, but could be. And it's just a sculpture in the garden now. Existing camphor that we kept, and we kept all the citrus because they are producing, so why not? And we left room here with the small sundrops so that they could get around if they needed to. And then we also continued the path here. Didn't do much over here, however. Now, typically when you're installing a path within a garden, I always recommend at least minimum 4 feet wide for one person to comfortably get around. But the homeowner uses a motorized scooter, I believe it's called. Or the wife uses a motorized scooter. So there needed to be enough room for her to be able to comfortably get around. So the path is about, I want to say we made it about 6 feet wide or 5 feet or thereabouts. But yeah, this is beautiful. It's just, I mean, I love it. It's just, there's plenty of room to get around and be able to just sit out here and relax. And eventually, once the plants have grown in, then it'll be even better.